What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw a Minecraft creeper. Let's begin today's lesson. On the top of our page we're going to draw two squares for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Start with a straight line going across. Now we're just going to leave a gap and then line this up on the right side. On the end we're just going to round up the eye and come down. And we'll draw that same length line coming down the side of the eyes to create a square. And then also rounding out the bottom corners and then coming in. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now in between the eyes, we're going to leave a gap. We're going to step down, draw a straight line going across. Let's round out the ends and then come down. And then go straight out along the sides. And then again, just rounding out the end and come all the way down towards the bottom of the mouth. Now I'm going to work our way back in. Draw a straight line coming in. Go up in the middle, across, and then back down. Now I'm going to go in and fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now I'm going to surround the face with a large square with rounded corners and fur along the ends. Let's start at the very top left. Draw a straight line going all the way across. Now I want to add some fur texture along the ends. We're going to go up and out, and then back in. Let's add another point, going out and then down, and then back in. Let's add one more, going out and then down along the side, and bend that back in towards the side of the head. Let's come straight down towards the bottom of the head. Just going to bring this down to right about there, and line this up on the right side. Let's add some more of that grass texture across the bottom. Bend this out and then down, and then back in. Let's add another one, coming down and in, and then back up. I'm going to close off the bottom with a straight line. Now I'm going to tuck the body in underneath the head. Over on the left side, let's draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the legs to right about there. And then do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. From the hips, let's bend the top of the legs, coming in and then down towards the center point. And from that center point, I'm going to draw the inside of the left leg, going out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to bend this out and then down across the top of the leg. Now let's follow the same curve, going out and then down. And then bend this up and in towards the inside. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to the hip. We're going to draw some grass texture along the outside of the leg. We're going to go up and out, come back in. Let's add another one, going out and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right. And add one more, coming across the knee and down, and then bend that back up and in. Now I want to bend this across towards this point. Now let's draw the outside leg underneath. We're going to bend this out and then down, back up, out, and then down towards the bottom. Now I want to round out the bottom of the legs. I'm going to come down and in towards that point. And then we'll add 3 toes on either side, starting on the left, and go up and then down like a half oval. And we'll add 2 more. Then do the same thing on the right. And I'm going to see the hind legs in behind. So we're going to start right here with a point, bend this out and then down, go straight across. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right. Now let's go back and add some texture of grass inside the body, starting from the top of the head with these little points coming down. Then we'll go across the body. And then the legs. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of a Minecraft creeper. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.